At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an IT startup can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Identify your niche. Determine the specific area within IT where you want to focus your business. This could be software development, cybersecurity, data analytics, artificial intelligence, etc. 2. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for your product or service, identify your target audience, and analyze your competitors. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business objectives, target market, unique selling proposition, marketing strategy, revenue model, and financial projections in a detailed business plan. 4. Choose a business structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation, based on your needs and preferences. 5. Register your business. Register your business name and obtain all necessary licenses and permits to operate legally in your jurisdiction. 6. Build your team. Recruit skilled professionals with expertise in your chosen IT field who can help you develop and deliver your products or services. 7. Develop your product or service. Work on developing a high-quality product or service that meets the needs of your target market. Consider using agile methodologies for software development to iterate quickly and respond to customer feedback. 8. Create a marketing strategy. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your business and attract customers. This may include a combination of online marketing, social media, content marketing, SEO, PPC advertising, and networking. 9. Launch your business. Once your product or service is ready, launch your business with a strong marketing campaign to generate buzz and attract your first customers. 10. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on providing exceptional customer service to build strong relationships with your customers and encourage repeat business and referrals. 11. Monitor and adapt. Continuously monitor the performance of your business, gather feedback from customers, and be prepared to adapt your strategies as needed to stay competitive in the market. 12. Scale your business. As your business grows, consider scaling your operations, expanding your team, and exploring new opportunities for growth and expansion. Remember that starting a business requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance, but with careful planning and execution, you can build a successful IT startup. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.